diagnosis, we're ambiguous. Question our legality, we have fun with this. Diagnosis, right up to diagnosis. I don't even.
What do you say we go for a walk in the park today? No, not that park, but probably just as cool. The park has to have history, a cool story, and some potential danger or death involved. So what kind of park could possibly fit all of these requirements? Your first clue that this is a different kind of park is that sweet fighter jet just chilling next to those houses. But the fun doesn't stop there. Check all this stuff out. Hashtag firepower for days. The F-4 Phantom II set 15 world records when it was created. It helped to defend the world against bullies from 1960 all the way through the early 90s. But if these static displays of force aren't good enough for you, check out this real live fighter jet coming in for our landing. Will the wonders never cease? No, they won't. Because here's another real live fighter jet just for you. This place is full of high-powered weapons. Michael Bay would be proud. Okay, I'll shut up for a bit and let you geek out to these awesome sights. Enjoy! I saved my personal favorite for last. The F-14 Tomcat. If you've ever seen Top Gun, you've seen this beast in action.
Cougar, he's got missile lock on us. Get away from this guy. He's engaging me. Guide Mustang, this is Ghost Rider 117. This bogey's all over me. He's got missile lock on me. Do I have permission to fire?
The Tomcats have an incredible list of features. Retractable titanium wings, night vision, laser-guided heat-seeking missiles. Basically, you do not want to come in contact with one of these. And now it's time to fly off into the sunset. I hope that you've enjoyed our little walk in the park today. Leave a comment, good, bad, or ugly. I enjoy hearing from you guys. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. It's free, and you get a notification up at the top every time I release a new episode, so that you never miss out. Anyway, thank you for watching today's episode. I hope it was a real blast. Alright, I got a jet.